Hola, folks. I hope you've had a fantastic day. And I actually thought today was Tuesday. So I wanted to share with you like this interesting fact about digital marketing. I'm working like on a research paper. So for some of you, it might be interesting or not. But for women, yes. Okay, in 2 minutes before my coaching session. So, what I've discovered, and I knew anyway, was that women are underrepresented in digital marketing, especially in retail. I'm going to find out which other sectors. And also that in 2020, 150 more, is it 150,000 more jobs would be. So, carrying on from where I was before, what does this mean? So the 150,000 jobs in the market means that there could potentially be even more. It means that the economy will be worth 9 billion. Great opportunities for anybody who's involved in that industry. So how does this impact people who are working 9 to 5? So basically, you may see that there will be a change in terms of the job sector and what's on offer as well, and also technology within the workspace as well. I saw that changing within like my workplace years ago. So how does this impact people who are working 9 to 5? So basically, you may see that there will be a change in terms of the job sector and what's on offer as well, and also technology within the workspace as well. I saw that changing within like my workplace years ago. So I started off with women and I'm going to end off with the ladies. So just in terms of this sector, it's been assessed that women have got greater skill in terms of the digital marketing efficiency and aptitude as well, but only that we are underrepresented. Okay, so although it's been estimated that there are women who are savvy in this industry and have the ability to achieve what's required in digital marketing, what holds most women back, or some, is lack of self-confidence in terms of technology. So it's not really about technology, it's more about being well informed because there's an array of opportunities within digital marketing, not necessarily in relation to digital into technology. There's an opportunity for women to have a space to be creative as well.